Hey guys, please hang around to the end of the video to see how you can get involved in this once-in-a-lifetime experience that the Nugget and I are about to undertake. Now, here's for the announcement. G'day guys, sorry about the clickbaity title, but I think it is well warranted. This is by far the most exciting news I've had to share with you guys over the multi-year journey we've had building this car and learning how to race. When I first started, I said to you guys that this would be the ultimate goal for me and this car, the absolute bucket list thing, to go and drive at this place. So no prizes for guessing where me and the Nugget are going. That's right guys, we are going to the mountain. We are going to Mount Panorama. I am so excited, it is ridiculous. For those of you guys overseas, I think probably everybody has heard of Mount Panorama and Bathurst. For those of you who haven't, this place is incredible. So it is one of the best racetracks in the world, and that doesn't just come from me, this comes from drivers I have met from all over the world. A guy from Europe came over and it's his bucket list to drive, and he's raced at Monza and all the amazing tracks, so it's incredible. It is in the middle of New South Wales, out in the bush. It's goes up a mountain. It is so spectacular. It's got one of the fastest straights in Australia. Touring cars will get 300k an hour down there. It goes up over the mountain and down to this twisty section through walls. It has everything. It is incredible. And because this track is actually it's a public road, so it's not a racetrack where you can just go do track days and stuff like Phillip Island or Winton. It's closed most of the year. It's really only open for massive events like the Bathurst 1000, which is our touring car series over here, the V8 Supercars, which is one of the most famous races in Australia and has been going forever. It's fantastic. And then things like the Bathurst 12 hour and the Bathurst 6 hour, which is where we come into play. So the Bathurst 6 hour is a touring car race with lots of different categories, and it's a 6 hour race. We are going to be one of the sport categories. So they announced about a month ago that the XLs will be supporting some other categories in that race. So this is amazing news. The XLs have raced at Bathurst once or twice before, and the last time they raced there, it didn't go well. There was a lot of argy-bargy, crashes at the front, stopped the whole race. They didn't get to race much. I think this year they're cleaning up the field a little bit. They're taking out all these guys that are racing for sheep stations and trying to prove a point in front of Roland Dane. They're basically trying to clean it up and make it for racers who want to go there and experience the mountain and have a lot of fun and keep it clean, like myself. So yes, it is an incredible track. If you are overseas and you haven't experienced it much, Google Bathurst, Google the Bathurst 1000, check out this track. It's incredible, although TV doesn't do it justice. When you drive around it, it is insane. The dipper going down, it is so steep through the S's, Forest Elbow steep, and then just this incredible straight going down Conrod Straight. And then through the cutting, I've done a lot of laps on this in our sim, just because it's one of my favorite tracks. So to go and actually race there is incredible, and I am so stoked. Only 10 people from Victoria were allowed to race, so basically everyone's coming from all over Australia to come and race this. We all had to put in our applications, and I just got the email a couple of hours ago saying that I've been accepted for Victoria. So I'm very grateful. Thank you to the Victorian XL committee for accepting me. I'm very stoked. And I will do you proud. I will keep it clean, and I'll do you a rad video and, make it all worth your while. So thank you so much for accepting me. As you can just tell, I just got this news, so I'm a bit excited. It's great. Now, I mentioned at the start of the video how you guys can help me. Now, this adventure, although amazing and a bucket list thing, is expensive. It's not going to be cheap. The entry fee alone is about 4 times as much as a standard race. That's just to get into the race. Then it's about a 800, I think it's about a 1,600 kilometer round trip there and back. With the price of diesel at the moment, that's going to be up in the $1,000 mark, probably to tow there and back with the rate of diesel. Then we've got food, accommodation, and the fact that I'm going to have to do some stuff to this car. Like, I want this car to be perfect for this. I'm not going to go there and risk the car breaking because I haven't done all the work I need to do to it. So this adventure is going to cost a lot. It's currently early January. We are racing in mid-April, so it's Easter long weekend. So we've got a few months to go, but I need to get this car ready and I need to get the funds together. It's going to be an expensive journey. So what I like to do, I've never asked any of the viewers for money because I think this is my thing, I'm doing it, I'm hoping I can entertain you guys with the videos, and hopefully over the last few years I have entertained you, giving you some help, giving you some advice, and just, yeah, giving you some viewing pleasure on a Saturday morning or whatever. Now the time's come where I'm gonna try and raise a little bit of money, but I don't wanna just take your money, guys. Like, that's ridiculous. I'm not a charity, it's not Make-A-Wish. What I'd like to do is offer you the chance to have your name on the Nug. So I'm gonna do these stickers. So if we have a look at this, if the camera focuses on that, get in front of my face. So I'm using my name there, but what I'd like to offer you guys is your name in the Nugget Project logo on the car. So if you guys donate $20, I'm gonna set up my website with the donate button. You go in there, you put your details in, and then I will put one of these with your name on the car. It'll go on the bonnet, down here. So I'm gonna row you all down the bonnet, and you can be a part of this Bathurst journey too. So in the videos, maybe even on TV, because it's gonna be televised, hopefully you'll be able to see your name on the Nug at Bathurst, at the mountain, and I'm gonna keep them on there for a year, at least. Maybe I'll just keep them on there forever. You guys are helping me out. Hell, I would love you to be on my car. So that's amazing. So for $20, you get yourself a Nugget Project logo like that in the neon red Nugget logo on the bonnet. If you donate $40 or more, you get the white logo, which stands out a bit more on the car, so it'll pop a bit more. So you get the same thing, but with the white logo. And what I'll also do is I'll send you a little sticker pack with some Nugget Project stickers and stuff, and I'll also send you your custom name in the Nugget Project logo thing as a thank you. So yeah, so $20, you get yourself the neon red logo on the bonnet, and that'll stay there for at least a year and be in all the videos and everything like that. And I'll make sure it's always there. Your names are gonna be in the video for sure. And then for $40 or more, you get the white sticker, which pops a little more, and a Nugget Project sticker pack, which I'll send out to you with your custom sticker as well. So that would be amazing. Obviously, we've been on a little adventure here together building this car. I really appreciate all you guys watching this. It's amazing. I can't believe so many people want to watch me build a stupid car and mupp it away in a shed. So any support, like if you do have a little, I know it's tight at the moment, COVID and all that sort of stuff, everyone's a bit strapped on cash, so don't feel obliged. But if you do want to donate a little bit to me, get one of those little sticker packs. Your name will be on the car. You'll be there with me on this Bathurst journey. You'll be on the bonnet, booting down Conrod, down Forest Elbow, down the straight, past all the banners, past the grandstands. That's your name on the car. So I think that's kind of cool. And I kind of thought that, if Mighty Car Mods had my name on their cars, or Project Binky had my name on their car, I thought that'd be such a cool thing. So hopefully you guys find that a cool thing too. So yeah, follow the link in the description and that'll show you how to do that. And I would really, really appreciate your support on this. Every cent I get out of this will go into getting me to Bathurst. I'm not joking. None of this is going anywhere else. It's either going to be for parts to get this car ready, or fuel to get me to the track, or part of this very, very expensive entry fee that gets me to the track and gets me up the mountain. So anyway, the next video, I'm going to talk to you guys about what we're going to do to prep for this journey, because this isn't a normal race. I'm not going to risk anything. We are going to have a whole thing on spare parts, what we're going to do to this car, what we're going to do engine-wise, what we're going to do suspension setup-wise. There's a lot to do, so check back for that. It's going to be a big one. And yeah, Jesus guys, we're going to Mount Panorama. Thanks for watching, legends. I love each and every one of you.